Welcome to Conway Learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in academic coaching, just scan that QR code and send me a message. I look forward to hearing from you. All right, let's get right into it. You might have heard that a paragraph is 3 to 5 sentences or a group of sentences that presents a complete idea. Both of those statements are correct. Today, we're going to be actually writing 4-sentence paragraphs, and we're going to be using something called TEDL. TEDL will help you write a complete paragraph. And each one of these letters here, TEDL, stands for something. We have topic sentence, example sentence, detail sentence, and then link to the topic sentence. In your topic sentence, this is where you're going to present your main idea. So if our topic sentence is this film strip here, you can see in this circle we've got several items that are related to film, right? We've got 3D glasses, a big soda cup, popcorn, a movie camera, some tickets to a movie. All of that relates to the idea of a film strip or a movie. But let's pretend this is a paragraph, and each image on the screen stands for a sentence. If our topic sentence is this doctor here, we've got, what looks like a medical case and a heart. Those two sentences or items might be related to the same idea, but then we also have a hot dog, and we've got a taco, and we've got a little UFO with an alien in it. You can see here we are going off topic. Not all sentences are related to the topic sentence, and that is not what we want when we are writing a paragraph. E stands for example sentence, and in this sentence, you're going to build upon your topic sentence with an example. You're really just taking your topic and you're providing an example of your topic. Your detail sentence, you're just telling me more about this topic or example. It could be another example. Really what you want to do with this sentence is give the reader more information, okay? You can use the 5 W's. I've got those over to the side for you: who, what, where, when, why, and how, and we'll talk about those in other videos. But this sentence, you really just want to tell more about your example or topic. You want to be specific. And then the last sentence in our paragraph, that L stands for link to the topic sentence. It's easier than it sounds, and really the purpose of this sentence is just to help you make sure you haven't gone off topic. So let's look at our visual again. If our topic is this doctor, and then we have all of these sentences that are not related to going to see a doctor, that last sentence of our paragraph, the linking sentence, the L, helps prevent this from happening. All right, it's one more way for us to check our writing and to make sure we have stayed on topic. So topic sentence, example sentence, detail sentence, and link to the topic sentence. Now let's put this in action. We've got our writing prompt here. Write about your favorite pastime. So our topic sentence, making pizza is my favorite pastime. It directly answers the prompt. My example, I started with for example, and then I gave an example of how many times I make pizza. All right, I could have chosen all sorts of things like, what I put on my pizza, why I make pizza, what's so great about pizza, why is it my favorite pastime. As long as I can relate it to being my favorite pastime, anything goes here. We just have to tie it back to the topic sentence and make sure we are answering the prompt. With my detail sentence, I wrote, I usually share with my friends and family, but don't be surprised if I eat the whole pie myself. I could have told you why I make it 3 times a week. Again, I could have, gone to what I put on this pizza, but I decided to talk about what I do with this pizza. And I included the detail that I might share it with others. I also might eat it all myself. That linking sentence, so if you've never made pizza, you should ask me to show you how. Let's see how that connects. Both the topic sentence and the linking sentence mention the word pizza, right? So that's a very quick way to check and make sure that these two sentences are linked. Because the linking sentence links to the topic of making pizza, we are still on topic. Thank you for your time today. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. If you're looking for academic coaching or just want to say hi, feel free to scan that QR code and send me a message. I look forward to hearing from you.